The financial markets can be a scary place, and they don't rest for anybody. Our goal here at A1 Trading is to bring you coverage every day, so you can be up to speed on the latest market moves. Before the show begins, remember that trading involves risk, and that anything shared in our content should not be construed as financial advice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where does the allocation of funds happen right now?
It'll go exactly where you want it to go. The next bit, after that, you'll enter and then it'll go up.
How would you enter, right? What if you're new to order blocks? What if you're nervous, right? Let's say.
And the correction moves is in the A, B, C move.
Today's stream is made possible by our partners and sponsors. If you're looking for a new broker, trying to get funded, or looking for a trading community to join, consider checking out the links in the description below. By using these links, you'll get access to great products and be supporting the channel. Without further ado, the show is about to begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Live Analysis with Eivind on A1 Trading. Your head analyst, your chief analyst, and your the most expertest of all analysts. Joke. So I'm not Nick. I'm sorry, I am not Nick. I'm Eivind, as you can see here, and here where they won. Where's Nick? He said to me that they had a lot of construction in the building or around their building, so he decided not to have it because it was too much noise. I do apologize for that, sir, but I will do better. All right, is that cool? Eivind and energy. Wait. You're supposed to do a better, right? It's a better entry. Wait, let me turn around. Okay. Welcome everyone to Money. It's Monday. Sure. Boom. Oh yeah. How's it going? So other than that, that's kind of that. And then Nick also made a quickly best setups yesterday. So I think you can also watch that video if you are worried about what he thinks. But I think that we should go through some pairs. I also want to go through seasonality with you. I don't know if that is something that you have done with me a lot of times. If you're new to it, that's what I had planned. I just did a stream on my own channel like 10 minutes ago. And I did a lot of fundamental talk analysis there. So I don't want to do too much of that. That's also a big part of what I do as a trader. But also some technical and also going through some years. I think that it's important to really smack in some good years of how price actually moved. Now, the other thing is to mention here, I don't know if I'm allowed to, but I will mention it again. If you're called something with S and you send me a trading plan last week, I think that your trading plan is great. So if you send me to your trading plan and I have a reply to it, and if I haven't, I do apologize. I think I've replied to everyone now. I love the reason why the components that this person used. I'm trying not to expose it. Oh, of course I did that. Nah, go away. So I'm not allowed. I haven't asked for. That's what I haven't asked for permission. So, anyways, the person that did this thing went through this. First of all, point out the strategy, points out which currencies is bullish, which is bearish, how the currency strength, and then talks about every currency and what is important for them right now. Technically, bullish and bearish setups that they're looking for, and then favorite setups for the month, and then boom, 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 boom. Currently, in a deeper pullback, started to believe the institutions taking profit for the month. If I can just kiss someone today, that would be that guy. Except my wife, though. And no, I'm not kidding. So I think that is great, lovely. I love that. That makes my heart warm. Now, the thing is that we're going to go through today is seasonality. Seasonality is a link that I put up there. You can see, I don't maybe, oh, are they taken away? I wanted those links out there. I don't know if I'm allowed to channel it, but I cannot see my links up there. But anyways, so seasonality. Now, I want to vote which, well, I'm guessing though, which dollar pair. So this is which one do you want me to cover most? We have euro, pound, dollar, USD yen, Aussie yen, BTC, gold, silver, copper, oil, soybeans, and then all the indices. So which one do you want me to go through today? Which one is like, what is your gold is available though if you wanted to. So yeah, if you want to have exclusive webinars for gold members and A1 trading, go to Discord and be gold member. It is actually pretty great. It's been fantastic last week. I think I learned more about I think they learned more about me than I'd have ever done, and I think it was a positive week. So really, 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 really great. Theo says use the CAD. Morbeen says Nasdaq 100. Is flying. Ooh, I like that. Indices, please. Okay. So I don't think I have done S&P on this stream, but we can go through that one. So this next, which is it's paid, but also a free version of it. If you search for seasonality, and then you go for S&P, I got SPY, SPX. You will get equity clocks and all those other things, and those are just photos. So same thing. April, boom. Now for S&P 500, which I really love and I really like, you have to find the charts right now. How's it going? Oh yeah, I love that. So we can go to S&P. So for the past, so you can see here by year, which month has been the best one. The best one is actually April. And from April 1st to May 1st, we see that 2020 had the best returns. We have 89% winning trades in this time period. Can you believe that? 89%, 15 years, 86%, 25%, 76%, but still 100% of past 5 years has been 100% up. So now that doesn't mean this year is going to be up, but yes. And then the other thing to mention is which market are we in right now? I will believe that we are in a bullish market. The market is currently bullish, right? Generally at least. So we also add for those years when the market was bullish. Now, as you can see, it changed a bit, but still we have generally 3% profits and only 0.6 in loss. Max profit was 14%, and max loss is less than 1%. So that can be the basis of your outlook for April. Straightforward, nothing else. Just looking at a chart, what can it be this year? Now, then we have to look at analysis of the price and everything, and where we are and how we are and all those things. But I just want to mention to you that's how difficult it can be to create a bias. And if you look at the past years, I just need to find what is it now? Okay, maybe just restart that one. Maybe will I regain that one? No, I would not. Okay, so I'm going to go to TradingView again then. Still not. Okay, so then I have to reset somewhere. Reset. No reset. Cool. So then we go to there. 1, 2. Then maybe that one. So ish. And then a watermark, of course. the reason why I did it was supposed to go to watermark. But anyways, so we go to last year. We go to April last year, and then April last year. I'm just looking. Sorry. If it doesn't go faster. So April 1st was a red candle on the 3 hour mark, but boom, 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 boom. Paused, boom, 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 boom. Paused, boom, 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 boom. Paused, boom, 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 boom. Now, if you come to May, if you take profit in May, you have then gained a whopping 5%. 5%. Now, that, my friend, isn't fantastically great, but let's see another year then. Just see another year. Is there any other year that also did well in April? Okay, let's see this year in April. So from this year in April, it goes a bit low, boo, 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 and then pause, and then boom, higher again, all the way up to May 1st. That's around there. 16%. I can live with that percentage. And that's how you go through. And then also remember, it went down at the beginning, and then around first or second, it paused before it goes higher. Remember those days. 1st of April is very, very, very important for you to still remember that could be the bottom, right? For April. I've not seen any other days where April had a lower bottom than 1st of April, okay? And then we go from 1st of April here, and then boom, 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 peak 1st of May, 3% up. So, boom, boom, boom. Boom. Am I going to sell this year? Do you think? Is this a good time to sell this thing now? Not really. So I'm not going to. Yes. I'm a samurai sword. That's what I'm doing right now. Sorry. It's getting a bit dark. There we go. So if you want to fight me, I have a stick ready, right? Or you can just call me an old man. That's what you can call me. Looks like GJ is going to plan. Which plan, Adam? That's always great. So now, yeah, there we go. So for me though, how am I going to approach this market? And I want to go through the market. Let's go to last year for the fun of it. So April 1st. Okay, and then we go replay. Then we go 1 hour. Then we go EMA. I would say, generally, that I would be buying the 55 EMA just to check how many entries do we get with that. Okay, so let's see if we get any entries at all. Okay, nope. 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 There we are. Yeah, good. There's your entry. Just going to mention that one there. There's your entry again. And you continue doing so until you have peaked yet again. Okay, cool. So what's the situation here? So in the beginning, when the market is too strong, I don't get any entries. When the market pauses a bit, I start getting entries. Will I get entries if I was to use daily setup here? If I use daily pivot points, let's see. I will start 1st of April. I will buy central pivot. Buy, nope. Buy, nope. Buy. I got way more entries with buying central pivot on daily. Right? and then we can continue higher. So which method is the best method? Is there a better method? Is it a better method? Is the best method just to buy market open? It seems to me that the low price tends to come in when? Okay, this is all the analysis you need to do, people. You might not care about what you're going to do now, but if you can't do it now, we will never have time for it. I'm just finding the lows each day. So if you see down here, at what time? This is New York Open, London Open, New York Open, New York Open, New York Open, London Open, London Open, Asia Open. What does that mean? That means, my friend, that I need to be ready before New York Open to be a buyer. I will not be sleeping. I need to be there. I cannot do anything else if I'm going to day trade it. Does this make sense, people? Okay? This is very simple, a very simple way of doing it. Okay? Very simple way of doing it. Now, this applies to every single asset you trade. If you haven't done this, already, sorry, please do it. It takes you maybe an evening, but you will remember in your brain that you could be aggressive on S&P 500 in April. Okay? Now, if you look today, do we have the same trade idea, same trade situation? I would say that is a bottom. That is a bottom. First chance. Tomorrow, we need to do that. We already have a high today. Good. We have a low around New York. Good. I now just need to wait patiently for this one to go higher. It's all good? It's all understood? I want yes, sir, in the comment section. And if you don't get yes, sirs in the comment section, I will redo the whole thing again. And you will be like, Eivind. So this is a group thing. If you as a group do not approve and say, yes, sir, this is easy, I can do it, I will do it, we will do it again. Ib says, yes, sir. That's cold. That was an ice block there. That's good. So, pound yen. My trading plan for first Monday in April is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me go to. Can I find that on my Discord? Do you think? Can I find that in my Discord? Let me see if I have I ever said this before? Let's see. Okay, it's a bit okay. I have to open image, maybe save image. It's probably better. And then we open that one, and then we go to that one. Okay, cool. Everyone see? Good. So let's see. 2nd of April, look for buys. When did I post this, bros? 2019. 3 years ago. I mentioned that. So, cool. Okay, cool. Then we know. So I think pound yen should go higher. I think we have a great seasonal trend. I think this is great. We have just reached the buy zone for today. Cool. We have made a high. Going to do the same thing tomorrow. Same thing tomorrow. Same thing tomorrow. Same thing tomorrow. We have resistance. Definitely resistance at 162.5. But yeah, we are definitely plan number 1, plan number 2, plan number 3, and plan number 4 is to go higher. Sorry. So where's the target, Mike? The target for this week, so far at least, 165. Somewhere around there. 165.30, 165.40, depending. Now, did we do that last year, do you think? I'm not gonna bore you with seasonality, but it's so important for you to go through it. It's so important. Let's see. Did we do this last? Yeah, this is last year. So April was high, went a bit higher, 100 pips. Okay, fell humongous amount of pips. Range bound, no, not so really. And then continue higher in May and everything. Okay, cool. That was a bad one. Okay. Any other Aprils? This April here, did we go higher from 2nd of April? There we go. And then we went 300 pips. Yeah. So, what's my point? My point is that I will go through the charts now. I know I bored the living life out of you, but I just want to prove to you that planning is important. If you don't plan, you will succeed. Try this on demo first. Go through April's. You have today to do it. You should have done it last week, by the way. But if you go through April today on your currency pairs, on your assets, I want a report tomorrow. I want to see in my Discord, my private Discord messages, that you went through the past 5 years on your asset, screenshot it, and tell me what you see. How was the market? Where was the beginning? Where was the end? How was the trend? What can you expect this year? What is what? Okay. What is the best way to back testing is probably going to those, take month against month, April against April, and then 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. So for years, only take April, or only take the month that you're, or the period that you're thinking is going to be a seasonal pattern, because everything turns around in May. Is April more important than other months? Do you know what, Raphael? Raphael, you just asked the best question I've seen today. Yes, it is the best month of the year, seasonality-wise. But will we get it? Different question. But yes, it is. Why? How can you tell, Eivind? If you go to Season X for S&P, the most returns is this month of the whole year. Okay, then we can go to another instrument. Give me Nasdaq. Somebody asked for Nasdaq. The best month of the year is actually July for Nasdaq. April, not too far off. Okay, I should take away that one. Because we have some. Okay, cool. Some. July is apparently better. April is second. For Nasdaq. DAX. Okay, November is better. So November is definitely another month we need to think about. And then Dow Jones, second best month of the year. Gold, forget about it. Soybean, it's gonna have an average month. February was apparently the best for soybeans. And then we are going to go to VTI. VTI does generally have a good month, but June is the best. And then what else? Aussie. Aussie has the best month of the year this year. Pound. Dollar has the best month of the year this month. And then USD yen has not so great month this month, actually, to be honest. Apparently. And then the last one was gold. Gold does not have a in particularly good or bad. Why does April have a? Why is April so good? April is so good because it's the end of the taxation season. In the farmer world, we are starting to produce. We are starting to prepare the land for the season of making crops and vegetables and salads and veggies and vegans and stuff like that. So, bro, why is April so important? Because financial world, the economic world, things start to reboot, and we also are pricing in what future profits we're going to have for the rest of the year. Isn't that great to know before the month begins? But okay, there we are. A cold but easy question comes out from Kailash. And Kailash asks, Ivan, what about gold? And I say, what about it? I think it's best to change seasonality with trends. According to seasonality, is always expected to see euro strong. Does that mean it's going to rise drastically? No. It's a theory. It's what guides you. It's a piece of information that's important for you to know before you. Should be the key, one of the key pillars in your trading. Tell me why it's nothing but a headache. Tell me why. Did you do your yen? I will do that, Nicholas, next. Okay. So gold is in a range, in a baby range, in a good range, in a good range, or in a bad range. We have this as peaks and tops. And for those who's like, but Ivan, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Well, that's a range, isn't it? And then 50-minute time frame. We yeah. So right now for this week, if I had the opportunity to be live yesterday, I would have said that's your buy. That's your price. Now the question becomes, what's your price action? So higher high, higher low, there is your actual entry. You can also blindly buy that 1917 as a bit of a drawdown, but still good enough. Then I would say look out for 1945 for resistance. Okay? 1945 as a seller, you're thinking resistance. If you are a buyer of gold right now, sit down, and wait for future price. Okay. Now, if it comes down to 1917 again, would you buy it again? I would say that depends on your strategy. It depends on you, but I probably wouldn't. But yeah, if it comes down again, that's totally up to you. You have to make a choice there. Pound yen up to 160. 15-minute time frame. I was like, what? And then euro yen. Euro yen might not be a good trade to buy in April as it stands today. Sir Ivan is you just have to send me the chart in Discord. Or you send the blast piece so I can copy paste your link. Yeah, that's totally okay. That's totally okay. I'm not angry. So I'm not difficult. So that's a reference to my friend. So the thing is, euro yen. Euro is a bit weak currently, and it probably is going to be a bit weak. So I probably won't buy euro yen because of it. But never say never. Tomorrow we're gonna see 3 bullish candles, and my opinion all of a sudden starts to change. But technically, right now you need that minimally. Okay, minimally. So right now it can just do a small fall, So euro yen isn't the first one I would jump on, technically, fundamentally, also technically, yeah, risk wise. But I'm not gonna take it away from you if you want to. So be careful, tactical, and only buy when you're thinking. If you're thinking of selling this, I'm not going to say you should. I'm going to say you shouldn't. But what I'm going to say is you need to have a low, a break lower, and then a pullback. See, as I'm seeing it, euro, pound, Aussie are very bullish in April. Is it naturally a bad month for dollar? Yes. The dollar index. Where is it? Dollar index. I can't see it. People, can somebody tell me? Yeah, there we are. Okay. April is one of the worst months for dollar. I'm supposed to put it that way, apparently. It's probably better. Do you know what, people? I forgot to ask you a question at the beginning. How are you? Are you okay? Olive Trader comes in with the perfect question. Where's Nick? And I'm going to tell you, Nick is... He's still alive, bro. He's still alive. So I would just say to you, think about your mental health before trading. That's all. Doing good, Josh. I'm glad to hear that, bro. And a smiley face. So, Aussie, thinking higher. CAD yen. Trade plan coming in. I can't do that. Okay. Because it's still stuck here or something. I don't know if you want to, but that's my plan. I'm going to hide that because that's all. I'm not telling you to do anything here. That's a plan. Is CSNX free? CSNX, of those charts, some of them are free, some of them are not. But also, I'm just using one website. Okay, so if you search for seasonality and then your currency pair or whatever, you would find other charts, but it's just photos. So this is more interactive. So I'm just showing you for, yeah. Did you look Nick in the basement? You never know. Maniac. I am selling yen. I am buying stock market. So I'm just waiting for the higher high. So that's what I'm actually waiting for behind the scenes. Okay, a bit more serious now. Okay, I will go structurally through the markets right now, and then we just have it fun. And then you can have your thing at the beginning, at the end. Nasdaq. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Raise the chair. Yes. I like it when money comes in. Ba-da-bum. FBI, open up. If you ever find my location, never do that, please. I don't want to be swatted. Swatting is not a good thing. Okay. So right now in the Nasdaq, either I don't know, some kind of pullback, and then going higher. I love it. Okay. Bullish run, expecting higher high. Let's go. S&P 500. Come on, bro. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Oh yes. What is my entries? I have 44.78, 44.95, 45.62, 46.17, 45.56. So it looks like I've just been gone crazy, by the way. One is in loss because I bought one up here. That was 46.17 ish level there. 17? Nah, okay, brokers different prices here, bro. I didn't buy. I bought that wick there, so it's there. So it's four difference. Current price is 65, and my price is okay. It doesn't show way because that's what I okay. Anyways, doesn't matter. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Small, higher high, higher low. That candle has broken. I just want one or two more candles up and then coming back down again. So in the next 3 hours, you're gonna see Eivind, boom, bought something. Okay. So I'm just waiting patiently for that. But I'm not. You can't see my chart. Xavier, what do you mean we can see my chart? I thought you saw my chart. XPX is doing exactly what you said from your previous stream. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. So, DXY is going higher in a range. I don't care too much about this one at the moment. I'm bullish on it. So, 3 green candles is great for me, but I think I still need other. I need a break higher first, I think. Okay, cool. Pound. I honestly believe this is going to go higher in April. A bit of divergence there from dollar strength. I also think it's pound strength. But yeah, I'm just going to see if anyone sent any message to me. Cannot see any messages there. Can't see any messages there. Nobody has commented to me in trading chat either. So, because somebody asked if you can send a chart, and I said you can. But if you talk to me on Discord, I'll probably be better. But whatever I'm talking about today is not financial advice whatsoever. It's not financial advice. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Please use risk less than 1% per trade. And if you do so, only do your own analysis after listening to me. Whatever I'm saying is only only for education purposes. Maybe even entertainment for those who laugh sometimes when I am being silly. Somebody says I'm not serious. I do apologize for not being serious, but I'm very serious right now. New Zealand dollar seems to be having another one that is going to go higher in April. So pullback, support, boom, 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 higher. Pound yen, hoping for it to go a bit higher, going up to 160, going higher high at least. Something like that lately. Somebody just talk to me now. No, okay. I don't know if AAYZ555 want their chart on stream. That's totally up to you, but yep. What's your thought on Pound Aussie, Matthew? Pound and Aussie should be strong, so that is not a trade I want to do. Greedy. Yeah, I'm greedy. I want to see you're at 111 so I can take a trade with you. Gaming and trading, totally up to the market. Totally opposite market. Can we expect 158 pound yen this week? We can expect 160. So I guess 158. Oh, sorry. I wouldn't expect it. No, Gregory. But of course it can. But I don't. So people, Gregory, I'm gonna talk to you right now. Okay, listen here, bro. I do mentorships. If you want to do that on EivindFx. .com. When I hear, this is the mentor in me. I'm your mentor. We are in the same training company here, people. Okay. When I hear that you tell me that you are thinking about what should it go down to 158, is that because you're selling it? Is that because you're selling it? If you're selling pound yen, I would love to say to you personally, before you took that trade, I would say, please look at my trading record. Please look at my trading plan, and you would never find that kind of trading in my record. If that's going to make you not sell it, or what? But yeah, at least. Any thoughts on Tesla current bullish trend? I think it's going to go higher. I guess. Okay. So if you sold it, I'm not telling you to exit it if you have profit or loss or whatever you have. That's totally up to you. That's your decisions to make. But the only thing I can say, I would not take that trade. I would toss that trade far down in the bucket, and I will try to never ever do it again. The reason why is because you're selling a bullish market. Plain and simple. So Aman asks USD yen. I think USD yen can go higher, but you have 123.20 as resistance. I don't know if that's. I don't know if that is attractive to you, but as long as the market is about 121.50, that means it can fall all the way down, and you still are allowed to look for buy setups. And if it continues high, you're still allowed to look for buy setups. But the moment it breaks, it turns red. Okay? Then no more. For pound yen, if you're trying to sell here, fair. Maybe. Do we continue lower? No, we do not. No. Now, for those who sold and held, I said you're early, right? I said you're early. Not that I'm saying I was right, but I'm saying I wouldn't take that trade. That's all. Euro goes strong in April. UJ at least goes bullish for the pack. Can you say that EJ will strongly bullish ahead of it based on this? Yes. That's okay. That's a good one, Maniac. That the Euro yen generally seasonality wise should go higher. Raphael says pound yen is oversold on daily. Just saying, Raphael, it has nothing on this chart. It has no relevance to this chart if it doesn't reflect in the price action. If the price action reflects that this is overbought, or whatever it is. So if you say that this should go lower, okay, then we have to have a bearish trend then. If this is going to go higher, we have to have a bullish trend then. All reflecting into price action. Thanks, Eivind. Took a slightly aggressive buy at 180, sorry. 1080. But unsure as to what TP should be and would like your thoughts. I don't know what 1080 is. Is it euro? That's all. Trader Eivind, I can't add image. If you send it to me on a direct message, I think you can. As far as I know, all the Discords that I'm a part of, you're allowed to send charts. But I do not know. But you can't send charts in this chat. You have to be on Discord, which is the link in the description. More anything else. But if you can just send me the last part of your link, not any.com, just this part here, then I'm okay with that. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's that. Okay, people are really, 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 really interested today. Aussie Swissy is the next one. Boom. Higher. Okay. Bullish trend. Buy. Great. There's your buy. There's your buy today. Probably buy tomorrow as well. So if I was a trader, I would love that buy. If I had any interest in Aussie Swissy, technically, education-wise, for any kind of educational content, that is my favorite buy. Just so you know. So yeah, I wouldn't sell it yet. What about gold? We did gold already, bro. Or was that a girl, maybe? Gold to me is in a range. There is your buy 1917 this morning, not lower. 1917 was your buy this morning. Not saying you should take it anymore. And then your actual entry should be around 1925, higher, high, higher, low, and then higher. Now, coming into 1944, 1945 is where you might looking to sell. You might look to sell. Question mark. Civilized moneymakers sends $5. Thank you very much. I absolutely appreciate the donation. Do not have to, but it's heavily appreciated. That makes that you will be in a very exclusive group. I think you're the first one, as far as I know, on my streams. So, Eivind, what would your thoughts be if price goes above a weekly level and they go right back beneath it? I think that, first of all, bro, that is okay. I would then be disappointed. But then I need to identify, was that a range or was that a peak? And those are situations that might be, okay, let me, as far as I understand you, I'm going to do two things. If you know, you just go higher, 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 low, higher, high. And then you come to the peak here, or come to here, and then price does that. And then you bought maybe here as a break and retest. Then I imagine that you would have been buying this level and this level. So this is maybe your third, second, first entry, depending. And the question mark, is it going to go higher? That is when I use pivot points. Pivot points will then tell me that somewhere around like here was a target and that I was trying to overreach the market. Right? But if it's, there is, as far as I understand you, maybe like that's a weekly level, right? That's a weekly peak. Does that, and then, something like that. And then it comes up to weekly level. Trying to see that one a bit higher, and then boom, does that. If this happens, I can guarantee you that pivot points will help you out. To say that that level up there was a target for the week or the month or something like that. And it's not really because of that level there it happened. It's because market has reached a take profit level and they've actually executed. Okay. Now, that all depends on your information level, right? You don't know if it's gonna break and then go higher or come back down again and then reach whatever that was down here, right? So I would be disappointed, but I would try my absolute best to avoid these situations like the plague, like it's the worst thing that can ever happen to me, and I will run. Okay? Have I commented correctly? Civilized moneymakers. So, what do I think? What do I do? I run away. I try not to be in those situations. I need to identify that as much as I can in advance. That means in a bullish trend, as I would think that it is, I would fight to buy at bottoms. If we are back in the uptrend, I would fight to be there at the beginning of the trend, middle of the trend, and try to avoid buying the peak. Now, nobody knows what the peak is. That's why we have some tools. But that is what I try to do every single day. I try to be in at the beginning here, and I try to exit at the peak. Yeah. I don't know what you're called, Mister. I do not see any. I do not see any message. I do not see any image from you. Oh yeah, Tesla. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Fair enough. Congratulations. Where's your target, mate? Already at the weekly target. But 1275 maybe? Maybe 1275. Why is the safe haven JPY so weak? Because the Japanese economy is very weak at the moment. The Japanese economy is not doing well. They're not having inflation. They don't have growth. They don't have anything else that all the other countries has. So Japanese yen is then squeezed because other ones are strong. Cheers, ABS. Okay. So it's kind of like a little brother that's been squeezed by the rest of the market, more than anything else. Pound CAD, strong. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay. If anything, then. Civilized Money with another $2. Thank you very much. That is deeply appreciated. You don't need to do it, but you know what? I will. Yeah, you don't need to do it, but thank you very much. I appreciate it, man. I'm a 10K funded FG Mo trader, by the way. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for supporting this channel. Deeply appreciate it. But yeah. It's great. Congratulations, mate. Congratulations. Deep appreciated. 162.83 is probably a target. Let's just thinking something like this. And then if it comes below here and then target and then sell again, the support at 63 and then down again. So yeah, I don't like it at all. It still goes by this one. I wouldn't trade it. That's my opinion, at least. USD CAD, another one that I really do not like. The reason I do not like is because it's a range. Oh. What's going on? This was a CAD thing. Aussie is breaking higher. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm just checking the market. Ooh. Okay. I don't like USD CAD because it's a range, but maybe it will trend lower now. That would be great. But I like what I see. I like what I see. Maybe a lower, maybe a break lower of this low here, break low of that, and then do that maybe, and then lower down to 123.80, maybe. Yeah. Do you use Bootcamp for dumb? Bookmap. I don't know, Rids. What that's about. Euro yen asked again. I believe that it might go higher because of yen weakness, but also euro has to be strong. But I would rather take Aussie dollar, Australian yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen before euro yen. But yeah. What about US 30? US 30 is going to be the last. Not going to be last. It's going to be last. Maybe it's going to be last. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see where we are. So I have said earlier that 134.28 is a level I want to buy. And then I would say 134.90 is another level I would buy. So I have that level there. I have that level there. That level there. And I'm just waiting for the market to do whatever it wants to do. But I think it's going to go higher. I think it's going to go to the moon, whatever that means. So technically, right now, just going to take away all my things here. There we go. Technically, right now, we are in a strong bullish trend. Since seasonality, we are in a strong bullish market, or going to be in a strong bullish market. If price comes lower, which I do not care too much about, I see that as a trading opportunity. So right now, I just gave you 2 potential levels for where it can go higher from. But other than that, I think that we're a bit higher in the month. That's okay. But on the week, we are okay. So other than that, I think that is fantastic. Okay. Now, whatever is down below us in the description, which is linked to Trader Central, there is linked to Discord. There's other links to, I think it's also to brokers, as far as I know. You need to take advantage of that. The other thing you need to take advantage of is following this beautiful dude, EivindFx. You search for EivindFx, Eivind, AEVINDFX. I look like this handsome guy. And I am live, an hour before Nick. Generally, an hour and a half before Nick, I think it is. And then when you're done with me, you're going to go to Nick and you're going to have fantastic fun, right? So, we saw me on Nick on Friday. You're going to see me again for other live sessions together. Go follow that one. And then you need to be here again on Monday. Boom. Have a fantastic week.
Thanks again for watching today's show. Our goal at A1 Trading is to continue to share free value to our audience through daily videos and articles, keeping you up to date with the latest market coverage. If you enjoy our content, make sure to subscribe for more. And remember to check the description below if you're looking for a new broker, trying to get funded, or looking for a trading community to join. From all of us at A1 Trading, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.